Have you ever set your alarm a few minutes earlier just so you could beat someone else in the house to the hot water in the shower? Or did your water heater give out altogether? Old technology is the big tank located somewhere in the attic or garage and takes up a lot of room. New technology is tankless. Steve Williams with Houston Water Heaters shares the many advantages to the Navian tankless system. Good morning.
Good morning, Deborah. How are you?
I am good. I just want to talk a little bit about you for a second, if we could. You are a plumber by trade. You were laid off at one point. The rent was due. You had $35 in your pocket. You started Houston Water Heaters. So that entrepreneurial spirit, why did you decide to start this business?
Well, I pretty much had to. I had no job, and I decided if I was ever going to do it, that was the time. I actually painted my name of my company on the side of the truck with a paintbrush, and I had little dots that pickup truck with a camper, and off I went.
All right, but you wanted to serve the community with a good product, and you understood, how to give good service to people and how to give people respect as well. All right, so switching to tankless. A lot of people don't know there's even a tankless water heater. In fact, a lot of people don't even know where their water heater is, but there's all kinds of reasons and advantages to that.
Well, there's a lot. There's such a difference between what has been in the past and what is now. I don't have a tank to show you, but you know what they look like. It's just a big pot of water, and it stays hot all the time. And that's so dinosaurish because it's completely outdated now.
Yeah.
And everybody, and I mean everybody, lately is moving to tankless, and for a good reason. I have one right here. This is a Navian NPE 240A Generation 2. It comes with circulation, meaning that you get almost immediate hot water at your extremities.
You don't have to light a pilot as well, that pilot light. That always made me nervous, lighting a pilot light.
No, it doesn't even have a pilot light. It senses the flow. When you open the faucet, it turns on automatically. It gives you the water you want, and it goes back to sleep. Very efficient. Very powerful, and if you get one, you'll love one.
Yeah. The water's only used, or it's only heated when it's needed. You say it's kind of like comparing the yellow pages to the internet, and you have a tank efficiency analogy that you use. What is that?
Well, this is 99 in some cases, 99% efficient, meaning that 99% of the energy is converted to hot water, and 1% goes up the vent pipe. Compared to a conventional tank, which is 62% efficient, meaning that 62% of the energy goes into making hot water and 40% is just wasted.
Yeah.
So they're extremely efficient. I'm going to pull the cover off this if this is a good time, because I want to show you what's inside and kind of explain that to you.
Yeah, and also the new flood stop device, which is very interesting.
Yeah, we're going to talk about that too. This is it, and it's a condensing unit, and there's a lot of jargon for that, so I'm not going to bore you with it. But this is a two-stage heat exchanger, so it preheats the water before it goes into the main burner, and that's how it achieves the 99% efficiency. It's a very powerful heater, and you mentioned flood stop. I've got one right here. I don't know if it shows up good on your camera.
All right.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And what does that flood stop device do?
Well, it's really neat. I'm actually going to demonstrate it for you. This is it. This is the live model. We pipe this into your cold water supply. Let me fix it where you can see through it. And this is let me show you that. We mount this right here on your wall. It's battery operated, and it has AC. It plugs into a plug, but it's got a battery backup in case the power's out. And it closed. You see the valve close?
Mm-hmm. So there you go. Whether you're home or not, and whether the power is on or not, it takes care of that issue. Yeah,
this little sensor senses any water in the pan, and it shuts the system down, and all your hot water line goes off.
Yeah. The other advantage here is that the lifespan of this is much longer versus the tank life, about 10 years. This one, 15 years. You have your 15-year manufacturer warranty. When it comes to installation, you make it easy and quick. And then we say, why Houston Water Heaters? That's all you do. That's what you do. You are experts at this.
Yes, I owned a plumbing company for a long time, and I never liked plumbing really. So I switched to just water heaters in 2008, and we've been doing it 13, 14 years now.
Yeah.
Nothing but water heaters. We're very good at it. The boys are experts, and it's been a real success for me because people know if it's all you do, you're probably pretty good at it.
Yeah. Thousands of examples on your website. You can give people a quote over the phone, and there's also no interest financing for 2 years. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you, Deborah. Enjoyed it again.
I'm trying to figure out where I can use that extra room when we get rid of the old tank. I can do something with that space. All right.
There you go.
Thank you. Houston Water Heaters has a special offer for Great Day viewers. Purchase a Navien tankless water heater today and receive a free flood stop device. Simply text Great Day Houston to 713-701-9041. That's 713-701-9041, and text Great Day Houston, and Steve will personally give you a call. For more information on Navien tankless water heaters, visit HoustonWaterHeaters.com.